guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be baking again. Though it's really hot in Canada right now. It's not really the best idea, but I have my AC on, so if you hear that noise, that's why. If not, I would be sweating like crazy. I'm gonna be baking some Minion cookies. My mom actually found these at the grocery store and thought of me. I'm like a big kid at heart, so this type of stuff I love so much. For the Minion cookies, little sugar cookies, like look how hilarious they look. They just kind of like made me laugh, just the way they look and stuff. I thought they would be pretty fun to make. So there are 20 sugar cookies in here. And oh my god, like look how adorable they are. They're so freaking cute. If you guys want to watch me bake some Minion cookies and stuff my face after with them, then show you guys what I'm doing. Putting my little Minion cookie. Little Minion little dudes on the parchment paper and are ready to go into the oven. Oh, it's hot, you guys. I'm sweating. Okay, I gotta put them in the oven. Talking about sweating, I'm gonna be putting these babies in the hot oven. So I gotta put these on for bake for 12 to 14 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. My head's cut off. Cool. Cool. Okay. So this is what the cookies are looking like. They look amazing. I'm so excited. Yum, yum, yum. Saved by the timer because I was like, oh my god, something's burning. But no, they're fine. You guys are probably gonna be like, there they are. Nice and golden brown. Ooh, ow. They're so hot, obviously, but this is what they look like. Here they are. See, I messed up this one. Oh my goodness, I messed up that one. That one, like, just because I was like, are they burning? Or like, what's going on here? I mean, sort of. See, it was sort of burning. These cookies can burn so fast, it's not funny. Just gotta wait for them to cool down and then I can try them and see how I succeeded. I got my Minion cookies, they're nice and cooled down, but first, before I eat one of these babies, or a couple of them, I'm gonna pour myself a nice glass of milk. That's what I'm gonna do. My A cup for Amber, and I got some milk. Oh, cool. I almost spilled it. This one, he looks so happy. And then now I'm gonna go and ruin his day. Eat this one. Because he's hiding on me. He was behind my cup. Milk dash. I do. See if I can get a bigger one. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching me bake Minion cookies. I thought it was fun. I think the cookies were so cute and so good, even though I feel like I kind of overcooked them a little bit too much. I thought that they tasted good and I thought they were adorable, so can't go wrong with that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.